Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert PNG to SVG in Inkscape. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening Inkscape on your computer. Once the program loads, go to the top left corner and click on File, then select Import. Locate the PNG image you want to convert and click Open. Inkscape may display a small import settings window, and in most cases, you can leave the default settings unchanged and simply press OK. After the PNG image appears on the canvas, the next step is converting it into a vector graphic. To do this, open the Path menu at the top and select Trace Bitmap. This will open a new settings window with several tracing options. Before continuing, make sure your image is selected on the canvas so Inkscape knows which object to trace. Inside the Trace Bitmap window, you can choose between single scan or multiple scans, depending on the type of result you want. You can adjust the tracing settings manually if needed, although the default settings often work well for most PNG files. Once you are ready, click Apply and wait while Inkscape processes the image. After the tracing is complete, you should see a new vector version of the image placed on top of the original PNG. You can drag the vector image aside or remove the original PNG to compare the results and make sure the conversion looks correct. When you are satisfied with the vector version, go back to File at the top and select Export. In the File Type drop-down menu, choose either Plain SVG or Inkscape SVG depending on your needs. Select the folder where you want to save the file and click Export. Your PNG image will now be successfully converted into an SVG file. And that's it. So that's basically how you can convert PNG to SVG in Inkscape. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.